Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view your statements on the RBC app. Now the first thing I want you to do is just of course launch the app, come here at the bottom right and click on these horizontal lines, these three lines. So it says more, click on it, and then here under services I want you to click on statements. Now you need to first choose which account you want the statements for. I'll just choose our checking account right here, and we'll actually get the last 6 statements that will appear right here. We just select the arrow. So then you just come here, select whichever statement you want. We have the last 6. Then we click on this one, for example, and we can zoom in to these statements. You basically pinch the screen, okay, and spread it apart to view it, to zoom in. And of course, you can also go ahead and access and go ahead and let's say right here for check-in under account overview, you can click on it, click on view statement, then click on it as well. From here, you can also print these. Just click on this icon. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.